Yes, come in. Very good afternoon. Have a seat. Can I have your candidate slip?
तो टेबल पर है.
What is your full name?
My name is Harjinder Singh.
Harjinder Singh. And how may I address you?
You may address me Harjinder.
Who named you, Harjinder?
Yes, ma'am.
Who named you?
Yes, ma'am.
Who named you? Who gave you this name?
This name is given by my sister, elder sister.
Is your name important to you?
Yes, it is very important for me because it's given by my sister, and it is selected from a holy book.
Okay, that means you like your name. Okay, let's talk about hats. Do you like to wear hats?
Yes, I like to wear hats. I have a lot of hats in my house. I mostly wear hat when I go outside of home, when in a hot season.
What kind of hats do you have?
I have many hats which I wear, like different hats, different colors, blue, red, black, and more others which I wear.
What kind of hats are in fashion these days?
Mostly in that day, mostly people like caps, which is mostly wear by people in different places when we go outside.
Where do you like to buy hats?
I mostly buy hats on online. There are a lot of hats available, and you can choose any with the different offers and different brands.
Is wearing hat popular in your country?
Yes, in my country, many people wear a hat, and
You said you do online shopping.
yes.
What do you like to buy online?
I mostly like to buy clothes online because different clothes available and brands which I take a very affordable price, which is also good, and there are a lot of opportunities to buy on that.
What kind of problems people can face when they buy something online?
I think there are not many problems in that, but some apps which are fake online, which makes people to creating problems, like in deliveries, when we delivery on that, and also in price, and fake clothes and fake brand.
This is the end of part 1. Now for part 2, here is a card with some questions. You will have a minute to look at the questions, and you need to speak for 2 minutes on the topic of the card. If you wish, you can use this notepad and pencil to make some notes. Your cue card is describe a time you noticed a group of people smiling. You should say where did this happen, what did they do, what was your reaction to it, and explain how did the incident make you feel. Are you ready?
There are a lot of time when I smiling while watching comedy movies and watching Cartoon Networks. But now about that one time when I smiling with my friends in my group. Then now I will talk about that one time when I smiling in my group. Starting.
Please.
There are a lot of time when I smiling while watching movies and with my friends when I enjoy a party or other things. Now I will talk about that one time when I smile in a group. That was the last Sunday when I was in Chandigarh with my went to Chandigarh with my friends. Then I go to different places like Sukna Lake and more others. That time all friends are together and makes a fun and makes jokes on each other. That time I smile a lot of in a group. I enjoy most with my friends, and I do many things on that. I do many things when when our friends are together. And I watch comedy movies with my friend and more other things which I do with my friends. I go here and there. Then in the Sukna Lake, the friends decided to boating. Then in that boating time, they create different things and enjoy that, which makes me more good, and I smile that. I feel very good.
Okay, now I have to stop you here because your time is up. Okay, can I get this one back? Okay, now I'll ask you more follow-up questions for this. Let's talk about smiling again. What are the most common things that makes people smile?
Mostly people make smile when they go when they go with the friends and in parties and more other occasions when we all are together. That's time is make smile.
Do you think people who smile are more friendly?
Yes, people are according to people smiling more friendly. Some are smiling to only for encourage, and some are smiling with people to make good.
Why do you think certain jobs require you to smile and be presentable?
People.
Why do you think certain jobs require you to smile and be presentable?
So no idea.
Like in some jobs, you are asked to smile very often and be presentable on your appearance. You should work on your appearance. So why they look for this?
When the people's are for so yeah.
Why do you think the smiling pose is so common in photos?
Yes, I think for making a good photo, smiling pose is very common in the pic.
Why this?
Because for memories, we create good memories in which people are smiling, and when we sad, they saw the pictures, and which makes a happy person.
And how do you feel when children smile?
When children smile, I feel very good because the smile is very cute, and which I like most, and their smile is very funny, which makes me happy when I was sad.
Do you think a smile gives a good impression to another person?
Yes, I think smile is given good impression to other people because smile makes the people to friendly and more good to others.
That is the end of speaking test for Harjinder Singh. Thank you.